Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Multi Productions. I'm Kishore. So today we're going to be playing some more Deer Hunter 2014. So yeah, let's get started. So today's goal, let's see. So I've maxed out the muzzle and the sight. You can see. So we've got the stock 6 and 7, the ammo 7, and then the barrel 6 and 7. We have 5 upgrades to do to just complete region 10. So today's goal is going to be just max out the ammo and upgrade the barrel 1 so that we have only 3 more upgrades. So that's going to be really easy. I already have 48,000 cash. So let's begin the hunt. First, let's kill 8 mature Shiraz moves, and also I got the Elite series, the Elite series gun as well. I'll show you what I play. So let's begin the video. So yeah, let's go. Let's kill 8 mature Shiraz moves. This is the secondary equipped Western Spur Elite. Not so great. Headshot boom has only 2 capacity, which is kind of okay for a beginner gun. Oh, I just failed. It's okay. 3, not bad. Okay, we almost got that. Body shot. Okay, there we go. Let me just use this gun. I'm going to reload it. Okay, we randomly got it. Body shot. Let me reload this. There we go. Fast. There we go. We completed it. So yeah, this is going to be a headshot. There we go. Headshot boom. So we completed the hunt. Hunt complete. Yeah, we got some 9,553 cash, you can say. So yeah, let's kill 8 mature Olympic elk. We already got 57,000 cash. Let's continue. Yeah, let me get my elite gun, elite rifle. Long shot boom. Next shot. Let me use this gun. There we go. There we go. I don't know what shot was that. Just missed it. Okay, so let me just get my elite gun. Let's reload. Yeah, let's just go. Body shot. Thing reloads really fast. That's a fail. It's okay. Continue. Time is ticking. Clock is ticking. There we go. Body shot. Actually, lung shot. I didn't see that coming. But it's good for us because long shot is better than body shots. It gives us 5 extra cash. So yeah, hunt complete. We got 9,007 bucks. Let's try completing the ammo. Actually, we need 1,000 more. Let's anyway just go to British Columbia. Just finish a hunt over here. Because anyways we'll get some thousands just to go into British Columbia. That's region 3. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, kill 10 doves. Let's kill those doves. Doves, whatever doves. You can call either. We've got the Magnard Marauder, but we already have the other gun. Forgot the region 6 one. Doves are really fast. Hit. Oh. There we go. Let's reload. 4. This is reload anyways. Six. Okay, let's reload. So missed that one. Just one more to go. We got like 48 minutes. 3 seconds. Okay, we've completed. There we go, incomplete. We'll probably get some 67,000. We'll have now. Actually, just complete one more hunt. I'm gonna go to Pacific Northwest. Just need some 100 more. So let's kill 4 young California bighorns. Let's go. It's an onslaught hunt. Yeah, let me get my shotgun. Next shot. Body shot. Body shot. There we go. I mean heart shot. Okay, this is going to be a body shot. Nice. So we completed. Hunt complete. There we go. So now let's upgrade our Western Spur. Let's go. Pacific Northwest. You can see. Okay, let me just do this. Let's finish it using an advertisement. I'm going to pause and resume back after the advertisement is complete. Okay, so yeah, we got this tungsten core. Ammo is maxed out, so we just have 3 more things to upgrade. This stock 6 and 7, and the barrel 67. 4 things left. We're going to just finish up the barrel, which is the cheapest, 46,000 and 52. Let's just complete actually 52. Let's complete 46. So we got 6 energy left. 6 9 is 54. Once again is 52. We can complete this, but let's just see when time comes. Let's do this. Okay, 12 spurwing ducks. I'm going to use Magnard Maruda this time. So yeah, let's continue. Continue. Loading. So yeah, let me equip my shotgun. There we go. There's only one spurwing duck flying out. There's something fishy. Boom. Okay, I think they came from the other side. Okay, now you can see a lot of ducks. There we go. 2 in 1. Let me get this. Spurwing duckling. I guess because these are full. Because I can kill them easily. It's a game. Let's just continue. Okay, there we go. Killed 12 spurwing ducks. And complete. There we go. We got some nice money. So yeah. Actually, I guess we're going to end the video because the video is too long. I'm sorry. But anyways, we're going to continue later. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please smash the thumbs up button. That'll help me a huge bunch. Subscribe to the channel for more Deer Hunter 2014 videos and more content overall. Share this video to different sources, favorite this video, and apart from that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and peace.